Good morning, students. I am Rajendra sir in Unit 1, Session 6, topic number 3, lecture number 30. Okay. Sorry, dear students, topic number 4. Okay. Lecture number 29. This is last topic of Session 6. Today I am going to teach you in session 6 searching a file and folder. Okay, searching a file and folder. How can search file and folder and in Windows Explorer, in Windows 7. Okay, so listen carefully. Windows offers a number of ways to find file and folders. Search box offers the most direct way to locate a file. Use search box. Okay, look here's search box. Here type file and folder name. Okay, now carefully follow these steps. You are looking for common file types. You remembers all or part of the name of the file folder you want to find. You know the date when you last modified a file. Okay. To search file folder, click on the start button. Click on the start button. You will find the search box located at the bottom of the left pane. Type either a part of the file or folder name, complete name, or type a word or phrase that is present in the file. Okay. As you type, the item that match your text will appear on the start menu. Select the desired file folder. It will open in a new window. Click on the See More Result link to get a details list of search file folders. The search result window will open. Next, if you find the file that you wanted, double click on its open. Okay. Our next, understanding different file format. Understanding different file formats. Dear students, you save the file and folder in your computer systems. Your file and folder save with extension name. Okay. You might have noticed that while finding a file folder by using the wildcard characters, we made use of the file format extension of a file. But are you aware of what a file format is? Different types of file can be stored in the computer, that is text document, image file, presentation, etc. Each type of file has a different file format extension associated with it. A file format is a started way for ending information in a computer file. It is generally indicated by its own extension. A file extension contains 3 of or 4 letters appended at the end of the file, separated by period. Okay. Now listen our video carefully. Some of the most common type of file with their file formats are First, documents. You want to create a file in Microsoft Word. Your file name is document. This is default name. Okay. A file saved in Microsoft Word has extension .doc or .docx. Okay. Next, a spreadsheet. A spreadsheet created in Microsoft Excel has the extension .xls or .xlx. Next, image file. Image file are usually saved with a number of file formats such as .gif, .jpg, .png, .tiff, etc. Audio file. The sound file are saved with an extension .mp3, .wav, etc. Presentation. A presentation created with Microsoft PowerPoint is saved with an extension .ppt or .pptx. This file is also indicated with the file icon. For examples, look here, this is Microsoft Word file, this is presentation file, this is Excel file. Okay. First of all, this is important, very important topic in your examination and in your for futures, because this is very important. Today's Microsoft Office more popular and our Microsoft company continuously improve this version, because this is type of application software. In application software, that is common types of software, because every people's need these types of softwares in the Microsoft Office. Document, spreadsheet, image file. This is common types of work. Every people's work in this MS Office. Okay. So you need letter, application, notice created in your Microsoft Word. So they must save with .doc, .docx. Okay. In a spreadsheet, .xls, PowerPoint, .ppt. And our next, storing files. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in proper order. Windows lets you sort file by name, size, item type, and date modified. Sorting help in an easy retrieval of the required file. Dear, sorting files means arranging our files as a ascending or descending order. There are 4 ways you can sort a file. Okay. First, name. Select these options. Order file is alphabetically by file name. Select size. Arrange the file in decreasing order of the file. Item type. Group the file based on their type. Date modified. Organize the file according to the date. These were last modified. Okay. Let us sort the files in the alphabetical order. First of all, right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the sort by option and click on the new sub options. The icons will be arranged in alphabetical order. Okay. Keywords and mouse operators. Here shortcut key. Okay. Very important in your examination, in your knowledge. The keyboard shortcuts can be used to open, close and switch application while working with file, you can also use shortcut key to create new file, word and print the file. Some commonly used keyword shortcut key are CTRLN, that means create a new file, CTRLO, open an existing file, CTRLS, save a file, CTRLZ, undo the previous action, CTRLY, to read the action, delete, send the selected file or folder to the recycle bin, enter, open the selected application or file, CTRL-A to select all the file or folders. Thank you, my dear students. If you have any difficulty in understanding someone, then you must call me. Our mobile number 7631645682. This is the last topics, and our next video, easy mode, write all steps. Okay, so listen carefully. Thank you, my dear students.